Hello, in this video I'll show you how you can create a typewriter animation effect on Canva. So let's see how we can do this thing. To create the typewriter effect, at first we need to log in our Canva account and we need to start a design. I already started a design and then I'm going to click the text to add a text. I'm going to click this text, this button, and left side it will bring us different type of option. I'm going to add a heading and here I'm going to type typewriter. I'm going to add the animation of this text. To add the animation, at first we need to click this text and then after that we'll see animate icon or button is there. We just need to click here and here we'll find different options are there. We have to come to the text because this is a text. We need to come to this text. Now if we scroll a little bit, we'll see the typewriter effect is there. We just need to move our cursor and then we need to click here and then we'll see that it has been changed. That means the animation has been applied and there are a couple of options are there like animate both on enter on exit. Both means it will the typewriter effect will be applied on the beginning and exit both. On enter means it will be affected only when the text will start writing. On exit means when the text will be disappeared. So I'm going to choose on enter because it looks nice, and if you want on exit you can also apply on exit also. It's same, it's just the reverse of the on enter, or if you click both it will be same way, it will apply both way. So I'm going to choose on enter and then there is a speed, so we can adjust the speed, like this is the lowest speed and this is the highest speed. I'm going to choose a medium speed and then there is the style. There are two types of style, like character based or odd based. So right now the character based animation is applied here, but if we choose odd, then on odd by odd it will be applied. Like there is only one, that's why we are not able to see this. So, but if we add another word like animation, then if we try to play, we'll see that odd by odd it is coming. So I'm going to click this play button and here it is showing on odd by one, like that way. We can also decrease the speed and then we can play again. I'm going to play it again and it is showing, see, on odd by odd. And if we want to apply this animation character by character, then we have to choose this character by character and then we have to press this play button and it will be affected by odd by odd. That's it. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily add the typewriter animation on our Canva text. Thank you guys for watching this video.